Hi, my name is Devjani. I was looking for a course that delves deep into life coaching, a course that widens my comprehending ability about human behavior and helps me see through human psychology. Also, I was expecting to have hands-on experience of the learning while pursuing the program. It was phenomenal. Whenever the class started, I felt like it should never end. I got super excited when Ashwani sir first explained about the roadmap and the outcome of following his teachings diligently. I could visualize myself as one of the top coaches who can bring immense value to someone's life. First, I could realize why I could not see through few things earlier in terms of my behavior, my decisions, my actions. However, I am able to see through now. This makes me feel relaxed and unchained from the shackles of unnecessary thoughts. Secondly, I have broadened the spectrum of my knowledge as a coach and experienced a great leap of faith in my own abilities as a facilitator of transformation. I see through things now. I do not tend to attach labels. I see things as it is. Earlier I was good at it, but now I have become a pro. This makes life simple. Confident? It would be an injustice to the course and Ashwani sir if I say I have become confident as a life coach. What it has given me is not only confidence but clarity about the subject. And confidence with clarity is a deadly combination. The insights I have got from this course and the powerful skills that I had learned had strengthened the foundation of my ability to empower people, bring changes into their life that they aim for. I feel more energetic and willing to serve the humanity at the best of my abilities. I would say the live training with Ashwani sir was extremely valuable and engaging. The practical exposure and the learning dashboard really set this course apart from others. I like the fact that the classes took place in very small groups for better attention, engagement, and understanding. It felt like learning solo. The sessions were also scheduled at mutual convenience, which helped me attend all the sessions without compromising on any other important task. One important aspect of impactful coaching is to be aware of what should be avoided as a coach, and this course brings value there too. I felt he was the one I was looking for as my mentor and coach, and I would like to be coached by him for my personal growth in all areas of my life in future too. I feel I am more driven towards my purpose after connecting with him. He is a gem of a person and an embodiment of divine grace. He lights up the environment wherever he goes, and one can feel the shift in energy in self in his presence. He is an exceptional coach whose approach is to always fix the root cause of the problem and not the symptoms. He imparts knowledge through storytelling and through lots of humors, which in turn helps you remember the lessons. He is supremely energetic, highly experienced, extremely honest, and genuinely respectful as a coach who is ever willing to share and help others grow.